Iranian President Hassan Rouhani told the visiting head of the UN nuclear watchdog on Sunday that Tehran will not discuss its long-range missile program as part of talks aimed at resolving a decade-long nuclear dispute. Iran's missile power is not negotiable at any level under any pretext. Iran is prepared to cooperate with the IAEA's probe into whether its civilian nuclear program has a military component, since there is no room for using a weapon of mass destruction in Iran's defense doctrine. Western nations have long suspected Iran of covertly seeking a nuclear weapons capability, accusations denied by Tehran, which insists its nuclear program is only for civilian purposes like power generation and the production of medical isotopes. Iran's long-range missile program is of major concern for Israel, which fears it may one day mount nuclear warheads on the projectiles and has not ruled out military action to prevent that from happening. Iran insists the missile program is a vital deterrent. A possible Israeli attack, we only accept those legal inspections by the agency that are in the framework of the Non-Proliferation Treaty and safeguards. Rouhani was quoted as saying any inspection beyond the legal framework will harm